Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you all today. I got some double beans, pink tip you can see. It's a market day on Wednesday. We bought it here. I'm cleaning like this. It's lovely seeds guys, and I got fresh peas. I'm also going to clean these fresh peas like this. You can buy clean and you can keep it in the fridge. Whenever you're cooking you can use it. And I got fresh peas here. I got madumbe. So guys, I want to make mixed curry. I'll show y'all. So when you buy your vegetable like this, you peel it and you keep it in the fridge. You can freeze it, but when you're cooking, you have to steam it and then make your curry. These beans here, guys, you can put in the mutton, or you can put in the chicken, or you can put in the biryani, or you can make potato curry. You can put very, very tasty these pink tip double beans. Very nice guys, and it's nice to make mixed curry. So I'm going to clean it and keep it whenever I'm cooking guys. I'll show you all when I'm cooking. And so guys, another thing, you're going to Saturday you're going to watch me cooking for old age, giving the food out guys. So that day I'll show you all. I'm making some mixed veg curry and chicken curry, roti and rice, and some juice and soji guys. I will show you all Saturday when I'm making it. Don't forget, make sure you watch my channel and you watch my second channel too guys. Thank you so much. God bless y'all.